What if one simple technique could help stop canker sores from coming back? There's a pressure point that's been used for generations to calm irritation and speed up healing. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it. If you've been dealing with canker sores that come back again and again, you know how frustrating they can be. They seem to show up at the worst times, making it painful to eat, drink, and sometimes even smile. And most over-the-counter options just numb the pain without solving the real problem. But there's another approach. It's a natural method that's been helping more and more people find lasting relief from stubborn canker sores. And the best part, it's completely free. The Canker Sore Miracle Point works by stimulating a specific acupressure point that supports your body's healing responses. Some people feel relief within minutes. Others notice that they stop getting them quite as often, or maybe any at all. If you're stuck in the cycle of canker sores, then the Canker Sore Miracle Point might just be the solution that you're looking for. It is a powerful Chinese hand acupuncture point that is considered a miracle point. Chinese hand points are among the most effective on the body. They follow a this for that approach. That means you use this point for that issue. They are quick to learn, easy to use, and remarkably effective. Knowing hand acupressure is like having a pharmacy in your hand, and learning these points is an important part to becoming your own doctor. Please comment below with any symptoms that you have been having. I read every comment and use them to plan future videos. My name is Dr. Barrett. I am a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The Canker Sore Miracle Point is located at the center of the base of your middle finger, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Teishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now find and activate the Canker Sore Miracle Point on your other hand. If you have a canker sore, I suggest that you find and activate this point 3 times a day for the next 30 days, then use as needed thereafter. The next step to resolving a canker sore is to massage it with coconut oil and to stimulate deep healing. I've put my video Unlocking the Power of the Vagus Nerve right over here. Have a look.